Look no further than the 2018 Lincoln MKX. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this spacious and versatile Lincoln MKX, the family-oriented luxury vehicle that offers a quiet, comfortable ride, impressive safety features, and a host of desirable standard amenities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, satellite radio, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, heated front seat, power passenger seat, remote engine start. Don't miss the chance to get behind the wheel of this well-equipped MKX. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.